And authorities with Fullerton PD just confirming that the suspect in this investigation is that of one of the stabbing victim's sons. Let me get out of the way right now and show you what the scene looks like. The 100 block of South Pritchard. Authorities have been on scene since about 1:40 this morning when the 911 call first came in. And let's jump into some video. You can see the suspect right now, and you will notice not only is that suspect in handcuffs, but you'll see those brown paper bags that are wrapped around his hands. One could only presume that authorities are doing their best to preserve any DNA evidence at the scene because this is a fatal stabbing investigation. The details that we're getting, the mom of the suspect called authorities at about 1:40 this morning screaming that she'd been stabbed by her son. She says that she lived at home with her boyfriend and her 2 children. Apparently the brother and the sister got into some sort of a fight. The son locked himself inside of his room. And when the mother tried to get him to come out, he did come out, but there was a knife in hand. He stabbed his mom in the stomach. She's been identified only as a 50-year-old woman who was pronounced dead at the hospital. Her boyfriend, identified only as a man in his mid-70s, was stabbed in the arm. He is currently listed in serious condition. As we come back out here live, you can see that CSI has arrived on the scene, and we're told that the suspect was taken into custody shortly after authorities were searching for him. Here at the scene, we're told that a murder weapon has also been recovered. We're standing by waiting for the identities of the victims and also the suspect. As we learn, we'll pass that information right along. But for now, we're live in the city of Fullerton, sending it back to the studio.